Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Microsoft Office apps open only when run as administrator is used, then please watch this video. So this wouldn't be happening with Microsoft Office apps only, but many other apps. For example, if you try opening Excel, it won't open, but if you right click on it and select run as administrator, it will. And maybe if you try to open Excel, normally it will ask for that administrator prompt. So that happens when the UAC settings are very strict. UAC means user account control. Search for UAC in the Windows search bar and then click on change user account control settings. Now lower this value by 1 bit and click on OK and then on OK once again. Does this help? If not, then push it even lower. Okay, search for it once again, open it, push it even lower, click on OK and then click on yes. And if the lowest setting is the one in which no administrator prompt is required, so the lowest setting will definitely fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.